Hi everyone, it's Terrific Tuesday, and it's also National Superhero Day. So I have my Hulk t-shirt on today. Maybe you should dress up in your superhero outfits today, even though we all are superheroes inside. Doesn't matter what you look like on the outside, or if you wear a cape, or if you have superpowers, we all are superheroes in some way. Today, for your greeting and share, I am asking that you're going to be going on Flipgrid today, and you're going to be making a little short video and telling me if you would rather be a detective and solve mysteries, or if you would like to be an inventor and create something new. After you do that, we have someone new today in our spotlight from last week. You're going to tell me how you are feeling today. Read for a little bit of time, find a cozy spot. You can log into Reading A to Z. And then you're going to be logging into iReady on for reading today for 20 minutes and practicing some of your skills that way. You're going to have a brain break. You're going to be making some milkshakes. Then you're going to log into Math, iReady. And again, please just work on one lesson, okay? Just one lesson. Then you're going to watch another video for math that has to deal with graphing. Then you're going to be working on several graphs and showing me the way that we can represent data and information. After that, you are going to pick something from your specials choice board to complete today, and then your day is finished. Your Terrific Tuesday is going to be over that quick. I can't wait to see all the wonderful work you guys do today. See you tomorrow, friends.